Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to those who are new here. So this is the April 25 Spellbinders Club kits. I have three of them. I have the small die of the month, the large die and the glimmer of the month. So I thought we'd just jump right in to the small die of the month, and this is called Snail Mail Post and this is what you can create with it. So you get all the bits to make like a little scene, a snail, the worm, the post box and his little bag. It's even got a little satchel and a cap. How cute is that? And some beautiful tulips. So this is the dies that you get in here. So they are sizable. Like, he's a biggish snail. He could sit on his own on a card. So that's the smaller die of the month. Then we have the glimmer of the month, which is scattered letters. And what it is a big plate, glimmer plate, to create this whole background. And so you have the main plate here, which will hot foil the little envelopes, and there's like a whole bunch of them. I think one of the add-ons or the extra add-on or something like that was the stencil to colour all these in, so that's kind of cool. And then you get two sentiments, open me for a smile and mailing you a big hello, and both will cut out. You'll hot foil them at the same time and then cut them out at the same time, which is nice, and they've got little banners on the end. So that's that. With the Glimmer Hot Foil, every month you get a dedicated colour. Colours can vary some months, but this one is black, so my favourite. And it's like a shiny black, so I'm looking forward to using that. And then the large die in the month is called Lock and Key Mailbox, and this will create this very sweet mailbox, as you see here. And there's a couple of different sentiments, but I'll show you that in a second. I think this is very, very cute. So this one, you create the outside of the box, so you could use that main die there as a, you cut it on a folded card, you could create a shaped card. And then you've got all the layers to create your little mailbox. There's a hello and letters, little like plaque that you can put on the mailbox. And then you have these little tiny flowers. They look a little bit like tulips, I guess. That seemed to be the theme with the other die set, but they're really teeny tiny, and you've even got a little lock and a key. And then this is like a little what do you call it, wax seal, like a pretend wax seal, just so sweet. And then an envelope. This bit forms part of the mailbox itself, so you could make this 3D as well. And then you get your little envelopes to tuck in to the slot, kind of like that, and the flowers. How cool is that? So those are the three for this month, for April. I want to say it's nearly the end of April, but I will get some ideas out to you as soon as I can. Just bear with me. So until next time, guys, bye for now.